draped in white clothes and green scarves, bring unrestrained joy to the spirited streets. Their laughter and playful sprints echo, amplifying the fervor that fills every corner. The air crackles with anticipation, a palpable sense of patriotic excitement hanging heavy. The streets awaken, pulsating with the vibrant energy of a nation's pride. Green and white flags flutter, painting the morning air with patriotic hues. Children, draped in white clothes and green scarves, bring unrestrained joy to the spirited streets. Their laughter and playful sprints echo, amplifying the fervor that fills every corner. The air crackles with anticipation, a palpable sense of patriotic excitement hanging heavy. The energy is infectious, binding every heart in a shared celebration of unity and freedom. The streets awaken, pulsating with the vibrant energy of a nation's pride. Green and white flags flutter, painting the morning air with patriotic hues. Children, draped in white clothes and green scarves, bring unrestrained joy to the spirited streets. Their laughter and playful sprints echo, amplifying the fervor that fills every corner. The air crackles with anticipation, a palpable sense of patriotic excitement hanging heavy. The energy is infectious, binding every heart in a shared celebration of unity and freedom. Bathed in soft morning light, Ali, Sara, and Hamza gather around their mother, the remnants of breakfast hinting at lively discussions.
Sara's thoughtful question hangs in the air. What if we gave Pakistan a gift?
Ali's innocent suggestion, a gift? Like a giant teddy bear? Is met with Hamza's gentle correction. Pakistan probably doesn't want a teddy bear, Ali.
Their mother's voice grounds the whimsical idea. Sarah, that's a lovely thought. But how exactly do you give a gift to a whole country?
Ali's face illuminates with a spark of inspiration.
In a burst of excitement, Ali proclaims, I know, let's plant trees. They will give shade, fresh air, and make our land beautiful.
Mother responds, her voice warm with approval. What a wonderful idea, Ali. It's a gift that keeps on giving.
Ali turns towards Mother, hope blossoming in their shared glance. Mother nods in agreement, a smile gracing her lips as she envisions the future. A vibrant chaos unfolds as children assemble an array of small plants and colorful gardening tools. Little hands, stained with earth, eagerly reach for brushes and pots of vibrant paint. With unrestrained joy, the children begin to adorn the pots, their creativity blossoming with each delicate stroke. The room is filled with laughter and the quiet focus of young artists lost in their colorful world. Each pot transforms into a miniature masterpiece, reflecting the boundless imagination of its creator. Children gather in the front yard, ready to plant their first tree, their small hands eager with anticipation. Sara kneels, tenderly placing soil around the fragile sapling, her touch gentle and nurturing. With care, Sara waters the young plant, giving it life and hope for the future.
Every tree we plant is a promise to protect our home, Pakistan.
The children stand back, gazing at their newly planted tree, a symbol of their commitment to the land. Children excitedly call out to friends and neighbors, inviting them to join their tree planting project. A diverse group of people gathers, transforming the neighborhood one sapling at a time. Sunlight dances on the shovels and illuminates the beaming faces of the community. Laughter fills the air as the community unites, infusing their surroundings with greenery. The neighborhood blossoms with new life, a testament to the community's shared vision and joy. Sunlight bathes the streets and parks in a warm glow as children prepare for Independence Day. The streets transform into a vibrant canvas, adorned with festive decorations. Each ribbon and flag adds to the symphony of color, celebrating freedom and unity. The trees, now dressed in celebratory garb, join in the joyous atmosphere. The scene pulsates with youthful energy, embodying the spirit of the holiday. A visual feast unfolds, painting a vivid picture of community and celebration. As the sun sinks, the sky bursts into a vibrant canvas of orange and purple. The kids, flushed with joy, gather around their newly planted trees, a gentle breeze carrying the scent of damp earth.
Today, we didn't just celebrate our freedom, we gave life to our land.
The young trees stand as symbols of hope, their leaves rustling softly in the twilight breeze. As the sun dips low, the streets and parks transform into a vibrant spectacle of national pride. Pakistan flags flutter in the gentle breeze, a symphony of green and white. Children sing with innocent joy, their voices echoing the spirit of Pakistan Zindabad. The melody drifts on the wind, a heartfelt ode to the nation's hope and unity. The recording booth stands silent, save for the lone microphone awaiting its voice. From an unseen corner, a voice echoes, a pledge for the nation's future. This Independence Day, let's promise to make Pakistan greener, cleaner, and more beautiful. Together, the microphone stands as a silent witness to the promise of a greener, cleaner Pakistan. The echo of the narrator's words lingers in the empty booth, a call to collective action. The promise hangs in the air, a challenge to transform the nation's landscape. Sunlight bathes the streets, where children lovingly tend to the saplings, their tender leaves reaching for the sky. Neighbors join in, weeding and adjusting supports, nurturing their shared green haven. A sense of ongoing commitment and shared duty fills the air. The trees, visibly taller now, stand as testaments to collective effort. The community's dedication transforms the street into a vibrant, green sanctuary. The scene radiates with the quiet triumph of a neighborhood united in growth. Bathed in sunlight, Ali, Sara, and Hamza stand before their classmates, ready to ignite a green revolution. Projected images of trees flash, illustrating the journey from tiny saplings to towering giants.
Trees aren't just pretty to look at, they're the lungs of our planet.
Sara adds, her voice filled with conviction. Our project shows how even small actions can make a big difference.
We can all help create a greener, healthier future. Let's plant some trees.
The schoolyard transforms into a hub of collaborative energy as students, teachers, and staff unite for a tree planting event. Under the dappled sunlight, saplings find their new homes, each one carefully placed in the earth. Laughter echoes through the air, weaving through the chatter as the community comes together with a shared sense of purpose. Water glistens as it nourishes the newly planted trees, symbolizing growth and renewal. Sunlight filters through the canopy, casting playful shadows that dance across the bustling scene. A palpable sense of unity fills the air as the community plants trees together. Months later, the trees now tower, casting deep shadows onto the streets. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, painting the sidewalks with a mosaic of light and shadow. Birds sing from the branches, filling the air with a melody of peace. The street transforms, becoming a haven of shade and beauty. The dappled sunlight dances, bringing the street to life with its playful touch. The park is alive, with families enjoying the cool shade beneath the mature trees. Children's laughter echoes through the park as they weave through the trees. Adults relax on park benches, lost in books or quiet conversation. The park pulses with life, a vibrant hub for the community. Sunlight dapples through the leaves, casting dancing shadows on the ground. Years later, Ali, Sara, and Hamza walk down the street, bathed in sunlight. They pause, gazing up at the now towering trees they planted, their faces softened by the dappled light. A shared smile flickers between Ali, Sara, and Hamza, a silent ode to their enduring legacy. The trees stand tall, a testament to their small acts' profound impact on their community and country.